This is the Cherry CC500, and on paper, it looks like the definition of boring. A slim, wired office keyboard from Cherry, the same company that basically invented mechanical switches. So why does this thing even exist? And more importantly, after using it as my daily driver for work, writing, and casual browsing, I discovered something Cherry doesn't really advertise. The question is this quiet, understated keyboard actually worth your desk space and your money? Cherry CC500 Product Overview. So what exactly are we looking at? The Cherry CC500 is a low-profile, wired membrane keyboard from Cherry, released as part of their modern office lineup. It's aimed squarely at professionals, students, and home office users who want something reliable, quiet, and comfortable, without the learning curve and noise of mechanical switches. Cherry positions this as a premium productivity keyboard, focusing on durability, typing comfort, and that classic Cherry attention to detail. No RGB, no gamer vibes, no wireless dongles, just a clean, minimal keyboard designed to disappear into your workflow. Cherry CC500 Performance. Okay, specs are one thing, but how does it actually feel to use day to day? I use the Cherry CC500 for everything: writing scripts, answering emails, spreadsheets, and long typing sessions. And honestly, it surprised me. The keys are quiet, soft, and consistent, which makes it perfect for shared spaces. If you're on Zoom calls or working late while someone else is sleeping, this keyboard doesn't announce every keystroke. There's no harsh bottom out, and the keystrokes feel smooth without being mushy. Is it fast like a gaming keyboard? No, and it's not trying to be. But for productivity, it's dependable. I never missed keystrokes, and fatigue was minimal even after hours of typing. The wired connection also means zero latency, zero pairing issues, and zero battery anxiety. You plug it in, and it just works. And sometimes that's exactly what you want. Features and tech. Let's talk about a few standout features and why you should care. First, the low-profile scissor-style keys. These give you a laptop-like typing experience, but on a full-size keyboard. That means faster typing, less finger travel, and a more modern feel compared to chunky old office boards. Second, the full-size layout with number pad. If you work with numbers, budgets, or data entry, this is huge. You're not sacrificing productivity for aesthetics here. Third, Cherry's build quality. Even though this is a membrane keyboard, Cherry's reputation shows. The keys feel uniform, legends are clean, and everything feels well-tuned. According to expert reviews from productivity-focused tech sites, Cherry keyboards consistently score high in long-term reliability, and the CC500 fits that trend. Design and build. Aesthetically, Cherry went clean and professional. The CC500 features a slim, modern design with an aluminum top plate, which gives it a subtle, premium vibe without being flashy. It looks right at home in an office, a study desk, or a minimalist home setup. The keyboard feels solid, no flex, no cheap creaks, and the low-profile design keeps your wrists at a natural angle. I also appreciate the subtle rubber feet underneath. It stays planted even during fast typing sessions. Just keep in mind, the aluminum surface can show fingerprints, so if that bothers you, you'll be wiping it down occasionally. Pros. Quiet, comfortable typing perfect for work. Slim, professional design with aluminum top plate. Reliable wired connection, no lag, no batteries. Cons. No customization or software features. Not ideal if you want a tactile or mechanical feel. Final verdict. So, who should actually buy the Cherry CC500? Look, if you're a writer, student, office worker, or remote professional who wants a quiet, comfortable keyboard that just works every single day, this is an easy recommendation. It's especially great if you value reliability and typing comfort over flashy features. But if you're a keyboard enthusiast, gamer, or someone who loves customization, you'll probably find it too basic. There are mechanical options from Cherry themselves that make more sense for that crowd. For everyone else, the CC500 is one of those products that doesn't try to impress you, it earns your trust over time. And honestly, that's kind of refreshing.